is how we have made our own splash pool using just what we have around to make a kind of slip and slide. We're making a slip and slide, right, kids? Let's get the water. It's gonna be a proper swimming pool. So we're gonna fill it up by half and let it heat up by the sun to have solar power to heat the water so it's not really cold. It's black plastic inside our repurposed plastic swimming pool made out of whatever we have in the garden. It's going to be our solar heating panel so we can have warm water. No, we're going to take it out when we're going to go in, right? Because it will hurt us. But until then, the power of the sun is heating it up and therefore transferring it into the water to make it warm. It'll be fantastic, kids. I'm so excited. If he did.